after the course, I actually learned that how we can actually implement that, how should I strategize the things, and how can I scale the campaigns properly so that I can generate a good revenue for any brand. For me, it is the scaling part of the course. Like when I was scaling the Facebook ads and the Google ads, because no, running a Facebook ads and Google ads is not that difficult. Like
Yeah.
anyone with technical knowledge can run that, but scaling that ads to a certain level or generating a good kind of good revenue, that is important, and that I learned from Digital Media. So that revenue, 70,000 rupees a day, that was the revenue. So yeah, that was really helpful for me.
Great. So, did the collaborations with the industry partners and thought leaders in the bootcamp program or in the bootcamp journey provide you valuable insight or opportunities for networking and career growth?
Yes, yes, yes. That was like really good. The Nileshar was great. Like after that, I Saurabh sir for the Google Ads. He was also the great mentor. So yeah, we learned a lot thing from them.